Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to create a Spring Boot project, which is the very first. What are the steps we need to follow if we are first in Spring Boot, and if we want to create our first Spring Boot project, how we can create it, how easily we can create our Spring Boot projects. So let's see. So in prerequisites means in your, please ensure that in your PC there should be, these are the things that should be there. In your PC, please check there is a Java installed. Then Maven is also installed. If you are going to create a Maven projects, Maven is also installed and configured. Java is also installed and configured. As well as you must have used any IDs. You can use either STS, Eclipse, or IntelliJ. Whatever you have, you can install. If you don't have, these are the three prerequisites which required to create the first Spring Boot projects. Okay, so next thing is, so what are the ways to create a Spring Boot project? In order to create a new Spring Boot project, we have three ways available. Either we can use Spring initializer by which we can create using any IDs like STS, Spring Toolset, Eclipse, or IntelliJ, by which we can create our Spring Boot project, or we can use CLI by which we can create our Spring Boot project. These are the three ways by which we can create our Spring Boot project. This is video. We will create a Spring Boot project by using Spring Initializer in this video. Okay. So let's see how we can create a Spring Boot, our first Spring Boot project, a simple Spring Boot project using Spring Initializer. Okay. So open your browser and search Spring Initializer. Open the very first link, and this is the page where by which we can create the Spring Boot project. It will, so how to create a, first we need to choose the project, which project we wanted. These are the trees. So here I am going to create a Maven project, so I will select Maven. Language which I am going to use is Java, so Java select. Spring Boot, these are the snapshots, so latest the default one we will can use, which work. And here is a group name, artifacts name, and name of this project, descriptions, and package name. What should be there? Should be the package name. So group name is like company name, artifacts name is our particular project name, team name, project name. Okay, so here I am going to use the group name is com, artifacts name is okay, l dot is lg, and this is demo project for Spring Boot, and this is package name, look like this, com.exe lg, and packaging is jar. And here we can choose which version we want to use, Java 19, 11, and 8. His we can select whatever we wanted. And here by which we can add the dependencies. In order to add the dependencies, click on add dependencies. Then here we can, whatever dependencies we want to use, here we need to search and we can add by just clicking. The first is web, which is a very basic dependencies to in order to create a Spring Boot project. First things, this is the very basic which we need. After that we can use accordingly. If we are using a database, then JPA we can use, okay, this one. And if we are using SQL, then there is a SQL, and lots of dependencies that is available. We can directly click and add, okay, by which we can create. Here I am just for demo purpose, so I'm using Spring Web dependencies. And here explore, by which you can see what are the configurations done in pom.xml. So here we can see our everything is here, and version is also there, Java version. This is the dependency which is added by when we use Spring Web. Then these two dependencies are added. This is testing for the test. When we use test, this dependencies work, so it is by default this will be added. And these are the plugins. Okay, so close and generate it. You can see it is downloaded, and after this download you can cut, and wherever you wanted you can paste it, extract it. Okay, so I have extracted, and whatever IDs you are using, just open that ID. I'm using IntelliJ, so I'm okay. So how to import this project in IntelliJ. So go to the file, open, and in open you need to find where is your project. So in a workspace, my project is here. So okay, just new window, and by this we you need to click on this by which it will load the dependencies. Okay, so load. Okay, here loading is done, means dependencies, all the dependencies are added. You can see here if red lines is come, then there is loading is still working. Okay, so there is no red line, so means perfectly done. Okay, and open the hierarchy. This is the structure when we create an import. This is the default structure. Here we can see what packages accordingly as we write it, com.easy lg. Okay, and this is the main classes, and it is annotated with Spring Boot initializers. Okay, this is perfectly done, and this is application or properties where we can configure, and this is main, and we can create here project whatever packages and classes we can create here. So this is the basic about how we can create a very first Spring Boot project. After this we can write our business logics as we wanted our project. We can write here, we can create a packages, we can create a classes, interfaces, and we can call it, okay, according to our requirement, business requirement. We can do this. Okay, application properties by which we can change the properties as well. So let me run it. You don't need to configure any Apache Tomcat servers. It will automatically include in this. You can see Tomcat started on 8080. This is the default port where it is running. It is running successfully. It is done. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand how we can create a very first simple Spring Boot project. Okay, and after this creating, we can write the business logics. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.